How'd that happen? What is that?
It's my flashlight.
With government explosives expert Hernan Cruz.
How are we going to get it out of there?
Treasure in the Philippines.
We're not touching that.
Interested in Yamashi's treasure.
What's up, dude? Welcome back to another video. My brother started a fire, but it wasn't that big. It was just in the microwave. My brother light on fire my mom's flashlight. That is not cool. He got in trouble. It would be blown up. A big fire.
So if you're standing here.
No, I can't. I can't even breathe in here, apparently. Take a video. Mommy, whenever I heard Mommy scream, I was like, ah! Why'd you burn the flashlight? Can't do that. We could have died in there if we didn't know that was going on. And then, but what if he said it? Mommy freaked out. I was like, is there a spider in here? I was like, ah! I freaked out. I was like, is there a spider? I heard Mommy scream, and I was like, I got really scared because okay, guys, here's what happened. I was just watching a video on YouTube, and then we were just laying down and all that stuff. I was just and then Mommy screamed. And I was like, "Is there a spider in here?" And then I looked around, and then I was like, "Ah!" And then it was on fire. The flashlight. Wesley, why? Have a good day. He lit the fire. He lit the fire. He is dangerous. Well, guys, see you next time. Peace out. He's dangerous.